Listen carefully. The life you want is not going to be handed to you. Every goal, every achievement, and every success story comes with a price. Hard work, patience, and persistence. There will be days when you feel tired. There will be days when nothing seems to work. There will be days when giving up feels easier than moving forward. But those are the days that matter the most. Because champions are not made on easy days. They are made on the days when they choose to keep going despite the struggle. Remember, progress is progress, no matter how small. One step today can change your entire future tomorrow. So stop looking for shortcuts. Stop waiting for motivation. Take action. Stay consistent. Trust the process. And one day you'll look back and realize that every sacrifice was worth it. Keep going. Your breakthrough is closer than you think.